Hello everyone. As President of ACI Asia Pacific and Middle East, I am delighted to invite you to our flagship event, the ACI Asia Pacific and Middle East Regional Assembly Conference and Exhibition 2025, happening in New Delhi from 15th to 17th April, hosted by GMR Delhi International Airport. Across our region, airports are evolving into global hubs, shaping connectivity, economic growth, and passenger experience. As air travel demand surges, it is very imperative that we must innovate, build smarter infrastructure, optimize capacity, and unlock new revenue streams. This year's theme, very appropriately, is the Hub Race, transforming regional airports into global gateways, and focuses on various aspects of airport operations, one-stop security, workforce development, congestion management, non-aeronautical revenues, and enhancing passenger experiences. I also welcome you to the exhibition, which explores cutting-edge solutions and products that will enrich overall conference experience. And don't miss this event. Our host city, New Delhi, is a vibrant mix of history, culture, and innovation, a reflection of India's dynamic aviation sector and one of the fastest growing in the world. Join us for the 3 days of strategic discussion, collaboration, and insights shaping the future of aviation. See you all in New Delhi. Thank you.